Welcome, Naveen, to the Inspiring Ohana series. Thank you very much for joining. Please share something about yourself.
Thank you, sir. First of all, for giving me this opportunity in Awana series. And I'm introducing myself. I'm Naveen Kumar Sharma, and I did completed my graduation in 2019 from Jamshedpur. And after that, completed my training in Jaipur, and now I am in Dejuax as a Salesforce trainee.
Okay, thank you. How you started learning Salesforce?
Mm, Actually, I came to know this platform during my summer training period in Jaipur, 2017. I was there to do my Java training. Before starting my Java training, I was introduced by the course that is Salesforce. It was all new for me to understand what exactly is this and all. So I choose that time Java. Later on, I did completed my graduation as computer science engineer in 2019, and I was placed as a web developer trainee. But 2 to 3 months passed, I didn't received any joining letter from that company side. That time was difficult for me, so I moved to Jaipur, and then I decided to do something different that I haven't tried it. That time I again came to the same word, Salesforce, but this time I chose Salesforce, and I started my training with Salesforce admin on it, and later on I completed my Salesforce developer also. uh, then I found it more and more interesting, and also journey to Salesforce program helped me on this. Hence, I am here with this Salesforce.
Okay, so you got to know about Salesforce 2 years ago, but you have chosen other path. And as you mentioned, there is some issue in your previous career journey. Then you have again started learning Salesforce recently. Okay, so you mentioned journey to Salesforce program. So can you please share some more details how journey to Salesforce help you for your career opportunity?
Actually, after completing my training in Salesforce, the coronavirus came to our life, and during that time, the pandemic time, uh, there was a lockdown. It was really tough time for new candidates like me to start their career, because no opportunity was provided by some many companies. As per my case, I also faced the same problem, but I got a link, journey to Salesforce on Twitter, when I was randomly viewed some tweet on that. Then I registered over there, and after after that I completed 4 trainings, and then I got a small gift. And after I got submit my resume, and then I got a first call from Dejworks for an interview, and I cracked that interview. Now I am in Dejworks as a freshers and have a Salesforce trainee position on this.
Awesome. So you have done any certifications?
Yes, sir. I have 3 certifications. First one is admin. Second one is PD1, and third one is I have recently completed my Salesforce certification. That one is advanced administrator.
Nice. And which is your next goal? Are you planning any next certifications too?
Yes, sir. That one is my favorite one, which is PD1. Sorry, PD2, sir. For that, I am learning integration, Lightning frameworks, LWC from Udemy to easily understand that topic, and doing practicing on that topic for achieving certificates and upgrade my skills also.
How many trailhead badges you have currently?
I have approx 204 batches right now, and have 3 super batches also.
Well, so what message you want to give someone who is from your city and they also don't have initial opportunity? So do you have any message for them?
Uh, Actually, I would like to suggest all new trainee and learners who wants to learn Salesforce, because Salesforce is booming nowadays. They should entertain themselves regarding various questions and go through new topics on Salesforce. That how to rank themselves to have a better rank means. to get a better opportunity in this field. So newcomers should go through each and every corners of this platform to acquire knowledge. They should make a list that defines where they want to reach and how to achieve that they want to achieve. And I also suggest them that don't discourage yourself. Let explore more and more, and also at that moment you are ready to start your journey in Salesforce.
Well, so when you are going to your home city now,
Actually, I am in my home city, which is in Chapra, Bihar.
well, so you're doing work from home. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so have you thought anything for the, students from your area, and they are not getting opportunities? So how can you help, like as an individual? Do you have any plan?
Actually, not exactly, but we have to make a group for those students who belongs to a small city, and because these students have no idea about Salesforce, what exactly is this, and is this really available in the market or not. So those students have not idea. Actually, I met some students and talk with them, then I realized that they have only some few things like programming means C++, and Java, and web developer means PHP, HTML, CSS. That's it. So we have to connect with those students to aware about Salesforce and all. I think.
Yes, awareness required in those students. And you will be happy to know we also have a Motihari developer group which is nearby your home city, Chhapra, Bihar, as of now. So you can help those students, as we also have some career guideline sessions, some beginner sessions. I also know many students from nearby. They are doing BCA, BTech from uh, here, and they are many of them are getting confused, like what to do, which career guideline is better for them as for their interest. So you can help them to give them a good path. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very
Actually,
much. Yeah, no, please.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please share.
Actually, I know about the group Motihari, and I really want to join that group where I can learn some more and more things, because recently joined Trailblaze community group, so I have no idea about that much. So really want to join that group. I recently heard about your post, sir. That is, I randomly searched in LinkedIn and got a link from there.
Well, so yeah, you're always welcome, and we have 1,000 plus community groups around the globe. And good news is that currently everyone, I can say almost, are doing virtual meetups. They are helpful for many, and you are always welcome to Motihari Developer Group to present. If you are willing to give some session, then you are also welcome. Okay, so have you attended any session recently? As we are talking about groups, so
Y- Yes, sir. I have recently joined a virtual event uh, that is organized by Jaipur Group in LWC.
okay, it
Uh,
was, I can say, recent meetup LWC masterclass.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Master
Well,
class where have some topics related lighting frameworks and all.
got it. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, very nice talking with you. Any final summarized message you want to give some new learner who just started learning on Trailhead, and you have already very good number of badges, very good knowledge, and good certifications. So, any message you want to summarize? Please go ahead. Thank you.
Sir, I just want to give some message that if you don't have any mentor or don't have any teacher or guide, that member who guide you about Salesforce, just go with Trailhead, because Trailhead is the platform where you and some students got new trails, modules, projects, super batches, and many things. Because it's just like a guardian, just like a guardian, because guardian guides us like this is the correct way to find your goal. After following that guide, we achieve our desired goal. So just like that Trailhead, it gives us instructions, information, and features of Salesforce, that how to use, how to solve problems with scenario based, and all these things. So that Trailhead has not only the technical modules. I think it has also non-technical modules like soft skills, resume builder, email writing, and many more. So go with Trailhead.
Very good message you have added. Yeah, Trailhead is the best learning platform. We have experienced it, and yes, we have technical modules. We also have non-technical modules, which is useful for everyone. And yeah, especially people who are not much aware about Salesforce yet, they should start from the Trailhead. They will find lots of modules for beginners, for
Yes.
intermediate, and as well as for advanced topic. So yeah, and I want to add here something for mentorship. We also have Trailblazer mentorship program. So if you are, someone is looking for a mentoring, then go ahead, apply for Trailblazer mentorship program as mentor, as a mentee. So yeah, Naveen, thank you very much. It's nice talking, and really great to see like how we have started your career journey, because I personally know how students from our area, I can say our nearby home cities, they struggle due to lack of awareness. So thank you very much for your participation once again. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.